Hi guys, oh my gosh, I am so excited today. I'm so excited that I didn't even put on my full on makeup. I don't care. But I wore my shirt, my succulent shirt, because I received my order. Mountain Crest Garden. Woohoo! So I'm going to unbox this in front of you guys. I have so many projects that I'm thinking about doing, and I am so glad that I got new plants. And let's see, let's look. Okay, here we go. So this planter right here I got from San Diego. Okay, let's see what it says. Crinkle paper products, the leaves during shipping. Please remove with care. Paper can be recycled. Peanuts dissolve in water. Oh, that's awesome. Packaged by Daniela. It gives you the 14-day guarantee. So guys, if you want some plants like me, they have 14-day guarantee. Store credit plus 10%. Ooh, that's good. Credit card refund, replacement plants if possible. Protect from full sun or extreme temperature. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. When you first get your plants, especially if they're not rooted, you got to keep them inside. You can't take them out in the cold weather or the really hot weather with the full sun. You need to give it a couple of days to recover. I would give it a week. Because it also needs to acclimate in the soil that you put it in. This is like in a nutshell. They're giving you really good tips. Okay, I am looking at this box. I removed all of the peanuts for now, and I'm looking at this box, and oh my gosh, look at this pretty plant right here. This is the Crassula Sarmentosa. I'm so happy. Look at this pretty plant. Crassula Sarmentosa variegata. Look how pretty. Wouldn't that just look lovely? I mean, that is like, this is like texture. It's gonna give with, not only does it give you variation, but it also has texture because it's kind of jagged on the edges. So pretty. And this is new. I've never seen this anywhere. So I would take that and think about what I want to do with it. It's going to be exciting, guys, because oh, by the way, the link and the names of all these plants are going to be in the description down below. And so you know what to get if you want to order it for yourself. Oh, ooh. Look, this is what I do. I cover my hand around it, and then I blow off everything. I'm gonna go outside and blow off everything. Actually, I got my little hand air blower because it gets into the nooks and crannies. The link for this one is going to be in the description too. It's really cheap, but it really works. I love it because I don't have to blow on it. Especially with the water, like when there's rain and stuff. But look at this, guys. Ooh, oh my gosh. Close up. I got your close up right now. So this is the Echeveria Fire and Ice. This particular plant right here looks exactly like my blue sky. I don't know if that's the actual name of it, but oh, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that together. Oh my god, look. Again, my goosebumps. My goodness, gracious. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't get over how pretty that is. Look. Isn't that just beautiful? I have another one of those. But look at how fast that thing just blows everything out. I use this for ants too. Poor ants. They're just being helpful, but I really don't like any insects or pests on my plants. So I don't know what those little ants are doing. They're eating the mealy bugs, but I don't know what they're doing to my plants. I mean, they're walking all over it. That, oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? Look, guys. Oh, I am so elated right now. What is that happy hormone? Yeah, that. Okay, and then this is another one of those Sarmentosa variegata. Oh. These are a lot bluer than the ones I see out. I don't know what kind of sun they have, but this is a lot nicer. It's like a light blue. It's like a bluish gray. Of course I have to do that because that's how I roll. There's another one in there. I just don't like the dead stuff. Mini blue. So this one doesn't get big. It just stays pretty small in the planter, which is awesome. But these guys propagate very, very fast, and you don't even have to remove any of the the stalks, because they just keep crawling, and then you can just pull some out. I know that because I have this in my front garden in the fountain, the girl fountain. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Put it against, I always do this. I like put it against each other. Oh, look at that. Look at the beauty of that together. This is just going to be great because like I can just put all of these together in one planter, and look, I mean the contrast is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. This really is what makes it, because these guys are just fillers. Like these blue chalks, they're fillers, but this is your thriller right here. Okay, so when you're doing a planter, like a ensemble in a planter, you want to do a thriller, a filler, and a spiller, which this one is, because this is gonna crawl. This is gonna crawl, it's gonna go down, it's gonna be like a bushy kind of thing. So when you put all those together, it is really going to be awesome. Okay, same thing, this is blue chalk as well. Pretty, pretty. Come on, pretty, pretty. Oops. Okey-dokey. Then we have this pretty. OMG. Oh my god. I have goosebumps. So this is a violet queen. Oh. Look, guys. Oh my, I already know what I'm gonna do with this one, because this is pretty cute and pretty small, and it's gonna fit inside my little bunny planter. I'm gonna show you guys. Also, you can go on my blog. The link, I have the link for all of these plants in my blog. Also, and that's Soul Sugar Succulent. I mean, it's Soul Sugar Succulent at blogspot.com. So I have that link for you too. But this Echeveria Violet Queen, look how pretty. OMG. Look at that. I cannot wait. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna put them together again. Look at the contrast on that one. Oh, and you know what else I would do for these two is put it up against either this or something. Just look how pretty. This one just makes it too. I mean, they all do. Look how pretty, like together. And then that one, and then add just something like really dark green, like my Shrek plant. my Shrek ears. I call it Shrek ears, but I think you know what I mean. Okay, so I have those two. I have two of everything. So happy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. I have to babysit today, but tomorrow when I come home, I'm going to start making the planters. So watch out for it, guys. So you can see what the colors and the texture of these plants can do. I also have cigar boxes, and come on. This is really awesome. At first, you know, don't put it outside where it's gonna get cold, because the plastic does get hard and it's hard to press. But once it's in your hand and you're using it, I just need to get all of that dirt out of there. And look how fast it's just going. This is actually for camera, or I don't know what they use it for. I use it for plants. I mean, it's double purpose, correct? There. And it doesn't hurt anything. You're not sticking anything in there like a toothpick, or sometimes I blow on it, but then I get dirt all over my face, like it just splashes on my face. So this one really works. Okay. Then I got another one of those Violet Queens. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Now, here is the Dix Pink. It's different, but it's pink. It's pink edges. Okay? And, oy, pink edges. And the other one is red. So that's the difference. This is the Echeveria Dix Pink. So I got the Fire and Ice, which is so excited because that's the one that I really, really like. And I think that in the summertime, this red area right here is going to get even redder. And then this area right here is going to be whiter or lighter. So it's so pretty against anything that you put it up against. And there's more. Ay, 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 how pretty is this? Let me see if there's any more that I'm forgetting. I don't want anything to die because I missed it. So here is the whole gamut, the whole group. Oh my gosh, you guys, look it. It's so pretty. It's a 2-inch pot, but I bet you I have to research it a little bit more. So this is like so wonderful. Put it together here. Look at that. Look at that. Just by this grouping alone, just really makes a planter exciting to look at. Yeah, look at how pretty. Nice. So keep watching, guys. I hope you click like, subscribe, and tell your friends, share it. Share with your other friends, especially the ones who are in love with succulents and the ones who like to do ensembles and a planter, decoration, design, whatever. And make sure that they know that the link is below in the description. And then they can order these plants, Mountain Crest Gardens. Ask me any questions if you want. And just make sure that you stay tuned for the big reveal of the planters that I'm going to do with this guy. All right. Bye, guys. That's all I got for you. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, or leave me a comment below. Until next time, XOXO.